The subtraction operator is an arithmetic operator used to subtract one numeric value from another. It can operate on both integers and floating point numbers, such as float and double, as well as on decimal values.